A number of terms were identified as being unfamiliar or confusing under the guidelines for additional limitations. Adequately powered refers to power analysis. Statistical power is another name for beta, which is the probability of making a type 2 error. A researcher can't directly set beta, but they can influence it by increasing the number of participants in their study. A study that is adequately powered has enough subjects that it is likely to find a statistically significant difference if it exists. Surmise means to suppose that something is true without having evidence to confirm it. In this case, if a study fails to find a statistically significant difference, it's possible that the same study with more subjects would have found a statistically significant difference. A key part of critical appraisal is determining whether a paper used the appropriate statistical analysis. There are two considerations. First, what were the researchers trying to show? Were they trying to show a difference between two or more groups, or were they trying to show a relationship between two or more variables? If they're trying to show a difference between groups, they should use an analysis like a t-test or an ANOVA. If they're trying to show a relationship, they should use an analysis like correlation or regression. Second, what kind of data are the researchers analyzing? Parametric or non-parametric tests should be chosen based on the data's level of measurement and whether or not it is normally distributed. The last question about participant dropout refers to attrition. If more than 20% of participants dropped out of the study, it's reasonable to ask why. Or if many more participants dropped out from one condition, it's also reasonable to ask why. Subjects are more likely to drop out of a study if they aren't seeing any benefit. A large number of dropouts from the intervention condition is likely to make the intervention condition look better than it really is.